Hey guys, welcome to Autodidactic Therapy. Today, glass screen protector for the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, which I got right here on one of my reviews. All right, we're gonna put it on here. This is the actually 2-in-1. There's 2 glass screen protector in here. It's only 15 bucks. We're gonna see how I like it. So this has a 9H hardness, basically scratch resistance. It also has retina display, optimize. I guess that makes it look sharper. Oil repel. So I guess if you have oily hand. Bubble free installation. I think once you tap it on there, it will do the rest. And then original touch feeling. So it's glass feeling. So it feels like the actual tablet, so you won't feel any like basically delays or anything. And then they have the rounded edge, so that way it doesn't feel rough, so it feels smooth. Let's see. I'm gonna open it and then we're gonna start the installation. All right, here we go. Cut this real quick. Another one right here. Perfect. All right, so it does come with some cleaners, some wipes, a squeegee, so wipes, some fabric to remove the lint. So this should be pretty easy. So they do have two of everything. So we're gonna use one, keep the other one. Dust remover sticky, which is nice. Hinge sticker. Weird. And then a cloth. All right. Pretty simple. Okay. So you use these tape to put it on so you don't touch the edge. All right. I guess you kind of first clean it really well. Well, I'm going to clean it first before I put it on. And then the second one is using the cloth and then dust it off and then we can put it on. Let's do it. We're only using one pack today. Installation here. Cool. And let me see if I can remove one of these. All right, there's 2. Okay, cool. All right, put this out of the way. Here's the tablet. Oh yeah, definitely got to get it clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the wipe and wipe it real quick. So, this is the wipe, alcohol wipes. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna clean this up real quick. Any fingerprint with the alcohol wipes. Any oil, we'll just clean all that up. It is a very big tablet, so we're gonna need to put it on there real good. All right. The cool thing about the alcohol wipes is it doesn't leave any smudge, and it's alcohol, you know, so it evaporates. So this is super nice. I'll make sure to get the corner because it's where we touch the most is the corner. And I can see if it's, there we go. Remove any dust. Oh yeah, I can see some dust already. Actually, the alcohol wipes would be way better first because that wipe actually has some lint on it. So it's very hard to hold because it's so wide. All right. So note to self, use the cloth first and then use the wipe. Now, screen protectors are set. So I'm gonna take this out, just slide it out. There we go. All right, so this says is for the back, and that's where the sticky is right here. So you can see that. That's the back. Sorry for the light. There we go. So it's gonna be this way. I'm gonna have to peel it first and then put it down. So before that, I'm gonna use these hinge sticky. So I'm just gonna put it down right here for now. 2 on the bottom to give grip. 1 or 2 on the top, up to you. There's 1. There's 2. So just to give it some, make it stable. All right, I'm gonna put this on the side. And then I'm gonna see if I can remove some more lint. Because once you get the lint on there, man, you will see the bubbles. Just gonna basically go through this. This will grab all the lint because the stickiness, you see all the lint already it's picking up. I'm doing this just so it just picks up any lint, but you can tap it if you want, up to you. All right, let's peel this off. This is the back. All right, and then we're gonna go through here, making sure that we lined it up. Well, actually, I think we do. You can just adjust it with this. Oh, that's really neat. Yeah, I think we're pretty much done. I think I'm satisfied with that. Let's find the squeegee. We'll squeegee that thing out. Squeegee the bubble out. Because it has air pockets right there. Get in a little closer for you guys. Yeah. So, it's hard to tell, but it's right there. There's an actual speck right there. And then there's a speck right there. So what I'm gonna do is remove that real quick. All right. Squeegee this out. Move this bubble over. 1, 2. On the edge. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No more bubbles. Bubble is not my friend. We are not finding Nemo. Man, I know it's hard to tell because of these lighting. Let me see if I can turn this off. You can see the bubbles right there. But yeah, this is it. You can't even tell. Look at that, nice and clean. No bubbles. Squeegee this out a little bit. Takes time to stick a little bit, but I think that's really good. First time, did a good job actually. There we go. Yeah. All right. This actually feels really good. Feels just like glass. Thanks guys. Bye.